Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. Okay, ma. Last class what we discussed? What we discussed? We discussed addition of money and subtracting money. Am I correct? Yes. So here I gave homework, right? Worksheet 2 and 3 I gave homework. So today I am going to discuss this worksheet 2 and 3. Okay? Okay, worksheet 2 and 3. Listen carefully, okay? So, now all of you take your book. Page number 130. All of you take your book, ma. Page number 130. 130. Okay? All of you take worksheet 2. Worksheet 2. Then take your pencil, eraser, everything. All of you take, ma. Take. Okay. Now, see here, circle the correct amount of money. Circle the correct amount of money. So, first you have to see what are all the rupees are there. Here 100 rupees are there. Here 50 rupees are there. Am I correct, students? Here 100 and 50. So, totally first you have to add these two. Okay? 100 plus 50. How you have to write? 100 then 50. Yes, am I correct? Now you have to add. Okay, ma'am. 100 plus 50. Here 100 means how many digits are there? 3 digit. Here 50. 50 means how many digit? 2 digit. Am I correct? So here you have to write like this. This is ones. This is tens. This is hundreds. Am I correct? Like that only you have to write. 100 means in the ones place you have to write 0, 10. Like that you have to write. Then 52 digit. No need to write 5 here. Okay, that is wrong. See here 100, 50. Like this means it is wrong. Okay, you have to start from ones place. Okay, from ones place only you have to start and end. Okay, ones, tens, 100. So 100 first you have to write 100. The next one 50. Then you have to add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Then here also no number, so you have to write 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. So total answer is what? 150 rupees, right? So 100 plus 50 is equal to how many rupees, ma? 150. So you have to circle this one, second one. Okay, rupees 150 is the answer. Okay, understood? Okay, then see the next one. 20, 10, 5. Am I correct? 3 rupees or 3 rupee notes are there, right? 20 rupees note, then 10 rupees note, then 5 rupees note, right? So you have to add. What I said first, you have to write 20 means, how will you write? In the ones place 0, 2. In the tens place. Then 10 is given, 2 digit number. So you have to write 0, then 1. Then 5. 5 is a 1 digit number. 1 digit number means where you have to write? You have to write here. Am I correct? From ones only you have to start. So here you have to write 5. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. Then if you are adding these two means 0. Am I correct? If you are adding these two means 0. So 0 plus 5 again 5. Then 2 plus 1, 2 in the mind, you have to take one finger 2 after 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 35. So totally 20 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 5 rupees is equal to rupees 35. So first is the correct answer. Am I correct, ma? Yes. So now like that only you have to add, okay? Then next one, see the sesame. 2 notes are given, right? Am I correct? Yes, this one is 500 rupees and this one is 100 rupees. Am I correct, ma? Yes, this one is 500 rupees. 500 rupees is a 3-digit number. Am I correct? Yes, 500 is a 3 numbers are given, so 3-digit number. Then 100 is given. 100 also how many digit number? 3-digit number. So you have to write 100 here. So 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 1, 6. Am I correct? Yes, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So what is the answer? The answer is 600. The answer is 600. You have to circle this one. Understood, ma? Now everyone understood? Okay. See here. If you finish this worksheet too, just listen. Okay. Once again you have to listen. Okay, ma? So see here. 50 plus 5 plus 2 rupee. Am I correct? Here 50 rupees is given, 5 rupees. Totally you have to add. Okay. So now you see here. Here I am adding. First 50. 50 is a how many digit number, ma? 2 digit number. So I have to write 50. Then next one 5 rupees. So where you have to write, in the ones place or in the tens place? In the ones place only you have to write. One digit number, no need to write here. Okay, you have to start from the ones place. No need to write in the tens place. Okay, understood? Don't forget that one. You have to write in the which place. In the 5 rupee means it is a one digit number. So you have to write ones place. 5. So here no number, right? So you have to use 0. Then 2 rupee. 2 rupee means it is a how many digit number? One digit number or two digit number? It's a one digit number. Am I correct? So you have to write in the ones place. So here also no number, 0. Then totally you have to add. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 5 in the mind. You have to take 2 finger. 5 after 6, 7. So you have to write 7 here. Then here 5 plus 0, 5. Again 5 plus 0, 5. So what is the answer? The answer is what, mom? 57. Am I correct? So these anyone having doubt, ma? If you have doubt means you can ask. Okay. After the class you have to call me and ask. Okay. Understood now? This one worksheet 2, first one you have to add. Okay. But you have to check. No need to write in the what? If it is a 3-digit number means you have to write properly. Okay. From the ones value you have to write 100. If it is next one is a 2-digit number means from the ones value you have to write. No need to change the numbers. Okay. Here see, once again I am saying here 55 2 means no need to write the 5 here. Okay. Because 5 is a ones value, right? One digit number, it is a ones value. So you have to write in the ones value. Okay. That only you have to know. Okay. Understood, ma? No need to forget. Okay. Now everyone understood these sums? Okay. Next see the next one, ma. Draw the least number of coins or notes needed to buy each item. See here, this pen cost is rupees 25. Okay, 25 rupees means how many rupees you will give? How many rupees? Least, like least number you are giving. Least number means if you have 20 plus 5 rupees means you will give 20 plus 5. Like that you will give, right? If you have money means if you are buying a pen, okay, the pen cost is 25. How will you give the notes? If you are having 20 rupees means 20 plus 5 you will give. Like that only you have to write, okay. So here shirt is given, right? Am I correct? So 300 rupees is there. How will you write? How will from smallest number, okay, like that you have to write. Okay, 300 rupees means you will give how many rupees, ma? 100 rupees. Then again 100 rupees. Then again 100 rupees. If you are giving 100, 100, 100 only, if you are adding these 300 rupees will get. Okay. Otherwise you will give how many rupees? 200 rupees also there, right? So 200 plus 100 also, is it correct? Is that correct answer only? Okay, ma? So like that only you have to write. Here 100, 100, 100 also the same. Okay, the shirt will give, the shirt's cost is rupees 300. So if you are giving 100 rupee note, 3 notes, means like that also it's correct. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Then see here. Here, what is given? See here. That cost is rupees 100. Am I correct? Yes, the cost is 100 rupees. So, how will you give? How will you give? 50 plus 50. You will give 50 rupees and 50 rupees. Totally 50 plus 50. If you are adding 50 plus 50, that is 100. Am I correct? Otherwise, how will you give? 20 plus 20 plus 10. Like that or also it's correct. Am I correct? Is it correct? Yes. If you are giving 50 plus 50 also 100. Otherwise 20 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees also, that is correct only. Okay. Like that you have to write. Then this one is 45 rupees. This basket cost is 45 rupees. So 45 rupees. So how will you give this 45 rupees? Yes. Rupees 20. Then rupees 20. Then rupees 5. Totally 20 plus 20 plus 5, 45. If you are adding these everything, you will got 45 rupees. Okay, ma? Understood? Okay, like that only you have to give to the shopkeeper, right? Okay, here, see here, this one, how many rupees, ma? 750, yes, ring. Ring rate is rupees 750. So, how will you give this one, 750? Yes, you will give 500 rupees notes, right? 500 rupees. Then, rupees 200 note is there. So, totally 500 plus 200, how much? 700. Then, 50 rupees notes are there, 50 rupees. Otherwise, you will give 500 plus 100 rupees plus 100 rupees plus 50. Like that also, it will be correct answer. Okay, ma, understood? Understood this one? Your wish only. Okay, by least number of coins or note, you have to buy the each item you have to buy like this. Understood, ma? Okay, understood? Are you copied? Okay, very good. Okay, then see the next one. Worksheet 3. See here, worksheet 3. Read the number stories and find the correct amount. Okay, you have to write the correct amount. Okay, first you have to see. Sam had rupees 140 in his wallet and 200 in his pocket. Okay, Sam, how many rupees he had? He had 140 rupees in his wallet. Yes, then 200 rupees in his pocket. So totally, how many rupees that Sam have? You have to identify. Okay. So see here, Sam had 140 rupees. So you have to write 140. Total, all together you have to find out, means that is addition. Okay. All together, total amount. How much money does he have in total? Total amount means you have to add 140 plus 200. So 140 plus 200. 200. You have to add 0 plus 0. How much? 0. 4 plus 0. How much? 4. Then 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind. Take 2 finger. 1 after. 2, 3. So total amount he have 340. How much money does he have in total? 340. Am I correct? Okay. The next one. Gina has 472 and Tom has 316 in their piggy banks. Okay. Then how much more money does Tom need to make it equal to the money of Gina? Actually here, Gina is having 472. Okay. In their piggy bank. Then Tom also having 316. So, how much more money that Tom need to make it equal to the money of Gina? How many you have? See here, Gina having 472, but Tom having 316. So, totally Tom need to make it equal to the money of Gina. How much? If you have to subtract, then only got the answer. Okay. So, you have to write. Subtraction means first you have to write what you have to do. You have to write biggest number. So, which one is the biggest number here? 472 or 316? 472. So, you have to write 472. Okay. Understood, ma? Then you have to write 316. Okay. So, now you have to subtract. 2 minus 6, you can't do. So, what you have to do? You have to borrow from here to here. So, here what number will come? 6. Here 12 because tens. 1 tens is your taken, right? So 12. So 12 minus 6, how much? 6. Before number you have to say, right? How many fingers you have to take? 12. Am I correct? Am I correct, ma? How many fingers? 6 before you have to tell, right? Say then how many? 6. How many? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 6 fingers are there, right? Am I correct? You got the answer. You got the first answer as 340. Everyone got? Okay. If you didn't get, please correct. Okay, ma? Okay, understood. Okay. Then, see here. Here also, first you have to write 472, then 316. Now you have to subtract. Then only you will got the answer, right? So, 12 minus 6, value is 6. Then 6 minus 1. All of you take 6 fingers in your hand. 6 fingers. 6 minus 1 is how much? 5. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is how much? Have to take 4. 4 finger. Then you have to fold 3 fingers. Then how many fingers are there? 1. So total how much? 156. So if Tom had 156, he needed 156 money, right? Yes. To equal that money of Gina, Tom need how much money? 156 rupees. Understood, ma? Everyone understood? Okay. Everyone copy? Okay. Then see the next one. Ananya bought grapes for rupees 42. Okay. Ananya bought grapes for rupees 42. She paid rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. Okay. She bought 42 rupees of grapes. She paid how many rupees to the shopkeeper? 50 rupees. So remaining how much that shopkeeper will give, we have to find out. Okay. So first what you have to write? This is subtraction, right? Remaining. The shopkeeper will give means remaining means you have to subtract. So first what you have to write? You have subtraction means what you have to write? You have to write the biggest number. So 42 is the biggest number or 50 is the biggest number? 50 is the biggest number. So you have to write 50 first. Then next one. You have to write 42. Then now you have to subtract. Subtract ma 0 minus 2. You can't do, right? So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here to here. So here 4 will come. Here 10. So 10 minus 2 how much? Take 10 fingers and fold 2 fingers. How much? 8. Then 4 minus 4. If you are taking 4, then again fold 4. 0. So she get back from the shopkeeper. How much she get? 8 rupees she got, right? Am I correct? The answer is 8. She gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. The cost of grapes rupees 42. So he get back how many rupees from the shopkeeper? 8 rupees from the shopkeeper. Okay, ma? Okay. Then see here. Mary purchased a bag and a pair of shoes. Okay. She purchased bag and pair of shoes. Both together cost are how many rupees? 499 rupees. Both cost. Okay. Both that bag and pair of shoes. Okay. Then the bag alone cost 250 rupees. This bag only 250 rupees. Both 499. So you have to identify this pair of shoes. Okay. Find out the cost of the pair of shoes. Already you know together. Total cost you know together. Then bag cost also you know. So what you have to do? From this to this you have to subtract. Then you got the pair of shoes. Cost of pair of shoes you got. Okay. So first subtraction means what you have to do? You have to subtract the biggest number to smallest number. So first you have to write 499 is the biggest number. Then 250. 250 next you have to write. Then you have to subtract. Okay ma? Subtract 9 minus 0 is 9. Then 9 minus 5 is how much? 9 minus 5 you have to take 9 finger. Then 5 finger you have to fold. Then remaining how many? 4 fingers. Then 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 how much? Take 4 finger. 2 finger you have to fold. Then remaining 2. So what is the pair of shoes cost? 249 rupees. So the bag cost is 250. The pair of shoes cost is 249. So all together how many rupees? 499. Okay. Understood? Understood ma everyone? Okay. If you have any doubt you have to ask. Okay. Understood ma? Okay. Then see here. Next one. Rajesh wants to buy a pen of rupees 5 and a chocolate of rupees 50 from a shop. Okay. Rajesh want to buy. He want to buy a pen. 5 rupees of pen and chocolate 50 rupees. Okay. Find out the amount he will have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay. He want this much of pen and this much of rupees chocolate. So totally how many amount he will have to pay the shopkeeper? How many rupees you have to pay? Total amount together. If you are adding these two, you got the answer. Okay. See, pen is 5 rupees, then chocolate is 50 rupees. So, how many amount he will have to pay? If you add these two, the answer will be given. Okay, see here. Buy a pen of 5 rupees. 1 digit number. So, where you have to write? This is 1, this is 10. So, 5 means it is a 1 digit number. Am I correct? So, 1 digit number. From where you have to start? From here you have to start. 5. So, and a chocolate of rupees 50 from a shop. So, chocolate 50 rupees means it is a 2 digit number. From 0 means 1's value, 5 is a 10's value. So, no need to forget this one, okay? From 1's only you have to start. Understood, ma? So, first Rajesh wants to buy a pen of 5 rupees. That is a 1 digit number. You have to write 1's value. Then chocolate means 50 rupees. So, it is a 2 digit number. So, it is a 10's value. You have to write like this. Then, here no number. So, you have to write 0. So, 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 0 plus 5 is 5. So, what you have to do? You have to write total number. Total number is how much? 55 rupees. Okay. So, Rajesh wants to buy a pen of rupees 5 and a chocolate of rupees 50. So, totally how much? 55. Okay, you have to add. So, worksheet 2 and 3, everything overwrite. Am I correct? Yes. If you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Okay, ma? Understood? For addition, subtraction, first you have to identify it is a 2 digit number or 1 digit number. It is a 2 digit number means you have to write from the 1's, 10's like that. If it is a subtraction means what you have to do? First you have to write the biggest number. Then you have to write the smallest number. Okay. So this chapter over. Am I correct? So from this semester, chapter 1 to 8 we completed. Am I correct, ma? So in this you have any doubt, any time you have to ask. Okay, ma? Understood everyone? Okay, again and again you have to practice the sums, okay, for addition, subtraction and all. Okay? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.